Ever feel like your email has become a monstrous, all-consuming black hole? You send an email, it disappears, then a reply pops up 3 months later demanding an explanation for your radio silence. Sound familiar? Yeah, us too. That's why we're on a constant quest for the perfect email client, that magical app that transforms our overflowing inboxes into serene landscapes of productivity. And in our search, we stumbled upon Newton Mail. Now, the name itself conjures images of sleek spaceships and futuristic interfaces, promising an email experience that's light years ahead of the competition. But is the reality as bright as the name suggests? The biggest question on everyone's mind, is Newton Mail free? Let's blast off and explore the Newton Mail universe, dissecting its features, pricing structure, and ultimately, whether it deserves a permanent spot in your digital arsenal. First contact, a glimpse into Newton's features. Imagine an inbox that prioritizes what matters, a system that filters out the noise and presents you with the emails that demand your immediate attention. That's the core promise of Newton Mail. It boasts a clean, minimalist interface that declutters your inbox, grouping conversations together and hiding unnecessary clutter. No more endless scrolling through promotional emails and social media notifications. Newton puts the focus squarely on what matters, communication. But it's not just about aesthetics. Newton Mail throws in a bunch of features designed to supercharge your email experience. We're talking red receipts, letting you know when your email has been seen. Think double blue check marks for emails, the ability to snooze emails and bring them back to your attention at a more convenient time, and even powerful integrations with other productivity apps. Sounds pretty impressive, right? But with great features often comes a hefty price tag. So, buckle up as we answer the burning question. Free trial or paywall? Unveiling Newton Mail's pricing. Alright, here's the deal. Newton Mail isn't exactly free. It operates on a freemium model, offering a 14-day free trial to let you test drive all its fancy features. After that 14-day joyride, you'll need to pony up for a yearly subscription to keep using Newton Mail. The current subscription price sits at $49.99 per year, which grants you access to Newton Mail across all your devices, desktop, phone, you name it. Now, that might seem like a steep price compared to the free email clients readily available. But here's the thing, Newton Mail positions itself as a premium email experience. It's targeted towards users who value their time and productivity, and who are willing to invest in a tool that streamlines their email workflow. Is it worth the hype? Making the verdict on Newton Mail. So, is Newton Mail worth the price tag? Here's the honest truth, it depends. If you're a casual email user who's content with the basic functionalities offered by free email clients like Gmail or Outlook, then Newton Mail might be overkill. You probably won't find enough value in its premium features to justify the yearly subscription. However, if you're a power user who spends a significant amount of time drowning in emails, constantly battling the ever-growing inbox monster, then Newton Mail could be a game-changer. Its focus on prioritization, clean interface, and advanced features can significantly improve your email workflow and free up valuable time. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your individual needs and email habits. The free 14-day trial is a fantastic opportunity to take Newton Mail for a spin and see if it transforms your email experience from chaotic black hole to a serene oasis of productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.